How to fix Shopee error checkout S13. Well, if you encounter Shopee checkout error S13, which indicates your checkout attempt has been rejected due to unusual activity. Now, how you can fix the issue? You can try and clear the Shopee app cache. To do so, you can scroll down the notification bar, tap on the gear icon at the top right, scroll down, head into apps. Once under apps, you can look in for the Shopee app and open the app, right? So in this case here, I'll just open up random app, but you want to open up Shopee app and head into storage, and you want to tap on clear cache and clear the cache. You can also try and log out your account and log in back again. You want to ensure your app is updated, and if you want to try a different payment method or different payment device. These are the basic options for troubleshooting the Shopee error checkout S13. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.